10th question. Find the volume of a solid generated by revolution of the area bounded by the curves y square equals to 9x and y equals to 3x about the x-axis. So here two curves are given and asking the volume of solid generated by about the x-axis. So that means ordinates required. That means x values are required. Let us find out the x values. Y square equals to 9x. In this, substitute the y value, that is 3x. So 3x whole square equals to 9x. 9x square equals to 9x. 9x square minus 9x equals to 0. Then take the 9x common, x minus 1. So 9x equals to 0. X minus 1 equals 0. Here x equals to 0 by 9. Here x equals to 0 plus 1. So then the x values are 0 and x equals to 1. So now the required volume equals to integration 0 to 1 pi y1 square minus y2 square dx, because here two curves are given. So integration 0 to 1 pi y1 square means the first curve, that is 9x. Y2 square means 3x whole square dx. So pi integration 0 to 1 9x minus 3x whole square is 9x square dx. So it is equals to pi bracket of 9x square by 2 minus 9x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Next, substitute the upper and lower limits. It is equals to pi bracket of here 9 into 1 square by 2 minus 9 into 1 cube by 3 minus 9 into 0 square by 2 minus 9 into 0 cube by 3. So it is equals to pi bracket of 9 by 2 minus 9 minus 0. So pi bracket of here 2 is LCM, 9 minus 9 2s are 18. So sorry, here 9 by 3, here 9 by 3 minus 0 minus 0. So then pi bracket of 3 1s are 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus 3. So then pi bracket of 2 is LCM, 9 minus 3 2s are 6. So then our required answer is 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 pi by 2 cubic units is our required answer. Second question, y equals to x square and y equals to 2x. So let's find out the x values. Here both are equal to y. Then we can equate the RHS values. X square equals to 2x. X square minus 2x equals to 0. Take the x common. X minus 2 equals 0. X equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. Here x equals to 2. The required volume v equals to integration 0 to 2 pi y1 square minus y2 square dx. So integration 0 to 2 pi bracket of here y1 square means here x square whole square and y2 square means 2x whole square dx. Then it is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi bracket of x to the power of 4 minus 4x square dx. So pi x to the power of 5 by 5 minus 4x cube by 3, 0 to 2. So pi bracket of 2 to the power of 5 by 5 minus 4 by 3 into 2 cube minus 0 to the power of 5 by 5 minus 4 into 0 cube by 3. So it is equals to pi bracket of 32 by 5 minus 2 cube 8, 8 4s are 32 by 3 minus is a total 0. So it is equals to pi. Here 5 comma 3 LCM 15. So 32 into 3 minus 32 into 5. So it is equals to pi. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, minus 5 2 is 10, 1 carry 16. So it is equals to pi bracket of 96 minus 160 is minus 64 by 15. So but here we can apply the mod symbol. Okay, mod symbol, then the negative will become positive. So 64 pi by 15 cubic units is our required answer. 11th question, find the volume of a solid generated by revolving the area enclosed between the parabolas y square equals to 4ax and x square equals to 4ay about x-axis. So here two parabolas given and about x-axis, that means x values required. So to find out the x values, first y square equals to 4ax. In this substitute the y value, so that is here actual x square equals to 4ay na. From this x square by 4a, x square by 4a equals to y. Substitute this value here. So x square by 4a whole square equals to 4ax. Then x to the power of 4 divided by 4 4s are 16a square minus 4ax equals to 0. So x to the power of 4, here we can take the by 1 into 16a square into 4ax divided by 16a square equals to 0. Then x to the power of 4 minus 16 4 is 64, a cube into x equals to 0 into 16a square. Now here we can take the x common. X cube minus 64 a cube equals to 0 into 16a square is 0. Now here x equals 0, one answer. X cube minus 64 a cube is the second one. So then x cube is equals to plus 64 a cube. Then x cube equals to 64 a cube 4a whole cube. So here powers are same. Then the bases are x equals to 4a. So therefore the required volume equals to integration 0 to 4a pi bracket of y1 square minus y2 square whole dx. So then it is equals to pi is a constant, integration 0 to 4a, y1 means here y square equals to 4ax na, then here 4ax minus y2 means, see from this what is a y value, x square by 4a is a y value, so whole square whole dx. Then it is equals to pi integration 0 to 4a 4ax minus x to the power of 4 by 16a square whole dx. So pi bracket of 4a into x square by 2. The integration of x is x square by 2. Next here 1 by 16a square into integration of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5 by 5, here 0 to 4a. So now substitute the upper and lower limits, but before that let's simplify. 4a minus here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so then 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 2a x square minus x to the power of 5 by 16 5 is 80 a square 0 to 4a. So substitute the upper limit first. 2a into 4a whole square minus 4a whole to the power of 5 by 80a square minus 2a into 0 square minus 0 to the power of 5 by 80a square, then it is equals to pi bracket of 4a whole square is 16a square, 16 into 2 32, a square into a cube minus here 4a whole to the power of 5 1024 a to the power of 5 by 80 a square minus 0 here 0, then it is equals to pi bracket of 32 a cube minus, so here 80 and 1024 is 64 by 5 and a to the power of 5 by a square is a cube, so it is equals to pi bracket of here 5 is a LCM, 5 into 32, 5 into 32 how much, 5 2s are 10, 160 a cube minus 64 a cube, so 160 minus 64 is 96 pi a cube by 5 cubic units is our required answer. 12th question, find the volume of a solid generated when the region bounded by the y equals to x square and y equals to x is revolved about the y-axis. So here two curves are given, one is y equals to x square, another one y equals to x, revolve about the y-axis. So let's find out the y values. So the first curve is y equals to x square, y equals to at the place of x we can substitute from the second curve, that is y. So now y minus y square equals to 0, y common, 1 minus y, it is equals to 0, y equals 0 one answer, 1 minus y equals 0 second answer, 1 equals to y. So then the required volume equals to integration 0 to 1 pi bracket of x1 square minus x2 square dy. So it is equals to integration 0 to 1 pi bracket of here x1 square means from this what is the x1 x value, y equals to x square under root y equals to x, so root y whole square. Okay, otherwise we can substitute directly a value na here, x square equals to y na, so y, x2 square means from this x value is what, y, so x2 square means y square dy, so pi bracket of here integration of y is y square by 2 and integration of y square is y cube by 3, 0 to 1. Now substitute the limits, 1 square by 2 minus 1 cube by 3 minus 0 square by 2 minus 0 cube by 3. So then it is equals to pi bracket of 1 square is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 0. So it is equals to pi bracket of LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6, 3 minus 2, so pi by 6 cubic units is our required answer. 13th question, find the volume of a solid generated by the revolution of the area bounded by the parabola y square equals to 4x and the straight line 4x minus 3y plus 2 equals 0 about y-axis. So here given that about y-axis, so then we need to find out the intersection point of a parabola and straight line, that means y values required. So y square equals to 4x. So and the straight line is 4x minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. So 4x here, what is a 4x here? Y square is a 4x na, minus 3y plus 2 equals 0. Here y square, 3y can write as a minus 2y minus y plus 2 equals 0. Take the y common, y minus 2 minus 1 common, y minus 2. Then y minus 2 into y minus 1 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals 0, y minus 1 equals 0, y equals to 2, y equals to 1. So therefore the volume v equals to integration 1 to 2 pi y1 square minus x1 square minus x2 square dy. So integration 1 to 2 pi bracket of here x1 square. The first curve is what? Y square equals to 4x now. From this x value, y square by 4. So y square by 4 whole square minus. Next from the straight line, the x value is here 4x minus 3y plus 2 equals 0. 4x equals to 2 plus 3y. 4x equals to minus 2 plus 3y. Then x equals to 3y minus 2 divided by 4. So here 3y minus 2 divided by 4 whole square dy. So then it is equals to pi integration 1 to 2 y to the power of 4 by 4 square is 16 minus. So here apply the a minus b whole square formula. 9y square plus 2 square 4 minus 2ab 12y divided by 4 square is 16 whole dy. So it is equals to pi integration 1 to 2. So let us do the integration. Pi here 1 by 16 y to the power of 4 integration y to the power of 5 by 5 minus 1 by 16. So next here 9 into y cube by 3 plus 4y minus 12y square by 2. Here 1 to 2. So here we can take the 16 common, 1 by 16 common. So then pi by 16 y to the power of 5 by 5 minus bracket of here remove the bracket minus here 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, then 3y cube minus into plus minus 4y minus into minus plus, and here 2 ones are 2 6 are 6y square 1 to 2. Now substitute the upper limit. 2 to the power of 5 by 5 minus 3 into 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus 6 into 2 square minus 1 to the power of 5 by 5 3 into 1 cube minus 4 into 1 plus 6 into 1 square. So it is equals to pi by 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32 by 5 minus 2 cube 8, 8 3s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 2 square 4, 6 4s are 24, and next minus 1 by 5 minus into minus plus 3 minus into minus plus 4 minus into plus minus 6 minus 24 plus 24 cancel. So pi by 20 is our required answer. Put in the question, find the volume of a solid generated by revolving the area bounded by the curve root x plus root y equals to root a, x equals 0, y equals 0 about the x-axis. So here he given that about the x-axis, so we need a ordinates, that means limits to x values required. For that I am using root x plus root y equals to root a, next to y equals to 0. Let us use these two equations to find out our required x values. So in this, substitute the y value, 0, root a, so root x plus root 0 is 0 equals to root a, then root x equals to root a, then root cancel, then x equals to a, and another x value already given, that is x equals to 0. So therefore the volume v equals to integration 0 to a pi y1 pi y square dx. So it is equals to integration 0 to a pi into y square. Actually the given curve is root x plus root y equals to root a. From this root y equals to root a minus root x, then y equals to root a minus root x whole square. So then here root a minus root x whole square. It is a only y value, but here we need a y square. That means apply this one more square. So dx. So next to a minus b whole square formula, integration 0 to a pi into a minus b whole square formula, a square, then square root cancel, x square minus 2 into root a into x whole square dx. So here a plus b plus c whole square formula. See, integration 0 to a pi into a plus x plus minus 2 into under root a into x whole square. So here a plus b plus c whole square formula is what? A square plus b square plus 2c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a value a itself, b value x, c value minus 2 into under root a into x. Okay, let us use this formula. So then it is equals to, so integration, here pi is a constant, so 0 to a, first a square plus b square plus 2ab, sorry, a square plus b square plus c square. Here c square means 4 into ax, okay, plus 2ab, 2 into a into x, plus 2bc. 2bc means, see, this is a, this is b, this is c. 2bc means 2 into minus 2 minus 4, so minus 4 x into under root a into x. 2ca means minus 4 a into under root a into x, here whole dx. So it is equals to pi integration 0 to a square plus x square plus 4ax plus 2ax 6ax minus 4x into under root ax minus 4a into under root ax whole dx. Now apply the integration. So it is equals to pi, here integration of a square is a square x, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 6ax 6a into x square by 2. Next minus here 4x into under root ax. Do one thing, let us simplify these two before doing the integration. Okay, so here integration 0 to a, here a square plus x square plus 6ax. Next see here minus 4x into under root ax, so minus 4x into root a into root x, minus 4 into root a into x to the power of 1 by 2, so minus 4 into root a into x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2. So finally minus 4 root a into x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So next to 4a into root a into x, so 4a into root a into root x, so 4a into root a into x to the power of 1 by 2. So it is minus 4a into root a into x to the power of 1 by 2 whole dx. Now apply the integration for each term separately. So then it is equals to pi into here a square x plus x cube by 3 plus 6a into x square by 2 minus 4 into root a into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 4a into root a into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here limits are 0 to a. So it is equals to pi into here a square x plus x cube by 3 plus here 2 1s are 2 3s are 3a x square minus here 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2, so 4 root a into 2 by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4a into root a, here 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, then 2 by 3 into a to the power of 3 by 2, 0 to a. So pi a square x plus x cube by 3 plus 3a x square minus 4 2s are 8 root a divided by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4a 4 2s are 8a root a divided by 3 into a to the power of 3 by 2. Sorry, here a to the power of 3 by 2, not x to the power of 3 by 2. X to the power of 3 by 2, 0 to a. So now substitute the upper and lower limits. So pi bracket of first upper limit a square into a plus a cube by 3 plus 3a into a square minus 8 root a by 5 into a to the power of 5 by 2. Here root a can write as a to the power of 1 by 2 by 5 into a to the power of 5 by 2 minus 8a. Here root a can write as a to the power of 1 by 2 by 3 into a to the power of 3 by 2 minus, next substitute the lower limit a square into 0 plus 0 cube by 3 plus 3a square into 0 square minus 8 root a by 5, 0 to the power of 5 by 2, next to minus 8a into root a by 3. So let us simplify. So it is equals to pi bracket of a square into a cube plus a cube by 3 plus 3a cube minus 8 by 5. Here a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 5 by 2, It is a to the power of 6 by 2. 6 by 2 answer is how much? Cube. Next to a to the power of 1 by 2 plus a to the power of 3 by 2 is a to the power of 4 by 2. So then it is equals to 4 by 2 answer 2 na. So then a square will come minus is a total 0 0. Okay, so total answer is 0. Then it is equals to pi into a cube plus a cube by 3 plus 3a cube minus 8 by 5 a cube minus 8a cube by 3. So then the LCM is, what is LCM here? Pi bracket of 15 is the LCM. Then 15 here, actually a cube plus 3a cube 4a cube, 4 15s are 60a cube. Next to plus 15 in 3 table 5a cube minus 8 3s are 24a cube minus 40a cube. So then it is equals to pi into 60 plus 5 65 minus 24 minus 40 64. So then it is a 65 minus 65 a cube minus 64 a cube by 15. Then it is equals to pi a cube by 15 cubic units is our required answer. Next is second one about the y axis. So we need a y values. So to find out the limits in the y, I am going to take the given curve and x equals to 0. In this substitute x equals 0. So it is equals to root a, then root y equals to root a. Your root cancel, then y equals to a. So one limit is y equals 0, another limit is y equals to a. So then the required value v equals to 0 to a pi x square dy. So it is equals to integration 0 to a pi x square. See, actually the given curve is root x plus root y equals to root a. Then root x equals to root a minus root y. Then x equals to root a minus root y whole square. So then here root a minus root y whole square dy. So it is equals to pi is a constant, integration, sorry, here actually what is the formula? X square na, but it is only x. So we need to apply one more square. Next dy. So first pi is a constant, integration 0 to a. First apply the a minus b whole square formula here. A square root a whole square means square root cancel. Here also y minus 2 into root a into y whole square dy. Now it is equals to pi into integration 0 to a plus y plus of minus 2 into root a into y whole square dy. So here a plus b plus c whole square formula, a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so let us use this formula. This is a, this is b, this is c. So pi into integration 0 to a, first a square, next to b square plus c square 4 into ay plus 2ab 2 into ay plus 2bc minus 4 into y into under root a into y plus 2ca minus 4 into under root a into y into a dy. So it is equals to pi into integration 0 to a. So a square plus y square plus 4ay. 4ay plus 2ay is a 6ay minus 4 into root a into y into root y can write as a y to the power of 1 by 2 minus 4 into root a into first to write the a into root a into root y means y to the power of 1 by 2 whole dy. So next it is equals to pi into integration 0 to a square plus y square plus 6ay minus 4 root a. Next here y into y to the power of 1 by 2 y to the power of 3 by 2 minus 4a into root a into y to the power of 1 by 2 whole dy. So it is equals to pi into let us apply the integration here. A square y plus y cube by 3 plus 6a y square by 2 minus 4 into root a into y to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 into a into root a into y to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 0 to a. So it is equals to pi into a square y plus y cube by 3 plus here 2 ones are 2 3s are 3a y square minus 4 into root a into 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2, then it will become 2 by 5 y to the power of 5 by 2 y to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4a into root a into 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 y to the power of 3 by 2 0 to a. So y into a square y plus y cube by 3 plus 3a y square minus 4 2s are 8 root a by 5 into y to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 a into root a into y to the power of 3 by 2 0 to a. Next to pi into apply substitute the upper limit a square into a plus a cube by 3 plus 3a into a square minus 8 root a by 5 into a to the power of 5 by 2 minus 8a by 3 into. Next to substitute the lower limit. So let us simplify this. It is equals to pi into a cube plus a cube by 3 plus 3a cube minus 8 into root a can write as a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 5 minus 8a here a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 minus this total answer is 0. Here a cube plus 3a cube is 4a cube plus a cube by 3. So 8 into a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 5 by 2 a to the power of 6 by 2 6 by 2 is 3 minus 8 into a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 3 by 2 a to the power of 4 by 2. So a to the power of 4 by 2 equals to a square into a cube by 3. So now check the LCM. Here pi into 15 is a LCM. 15 4s are 60 a cube plus 5 a cube minus 24 a cube minus 40 a cube. So then it is equals to pi into 60 plus 5, 65 a cube minus 64 a cube by 15. Then it is equals to pi a cube by 15 cubic units is our required answer.